Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another episode of Cruise the Car. So I've had the car for a week now with the new headers, and I freaking love the sound. I can't get enough of it. I don't know if I like the normal mode more, the sport mode more, or the track mode more, because either way it's loud, obnoxious, it sounds awesome. I'm sure the neighbors hate my guts though, but I don't care. I spent the money for it, and this is America. But right now, met up with Aaron. We're out here at Texas Motor Speedway. What we're gonna do here is we wanted to do a sound comparison. If you're subscribed to his channel, we did a sound comparison of at the time, we had both, we had stock exhaust with, you had your X pipe and I had the H pipe. And we did a sound comparison.
That was like 2 years ago, wasn't it?
It's like a year, maybe.
Yeah, it was before I had headers, right? I just had.
Yeah, I think we just did H pipe and an X pipe install.
I had a Roush X pipe back then. So
yeah,
if you guys have been following the channel for a while, what he was trying to explain is I had factory headers, and I had like a Roush X pipe. It was really raspy.
And I had the H pipe.
You had the H pipe to kind of compare. That's before we each have headers. I've had headers now for like 6 months. He's just got them now, a week now.
A week, yeah.
So, yeah, so now that's why we're here in this big open area to kind of help show X and H.
So, but yeah, so that's the backstory. So we're gonna do a sound comparison of just some revs, and also we're gonna use the space that we have here. We're gonna do some flybys and see like a sound comparison. So the premise of this video is to give anybody out there that wants headers, you have headers, and you're kind of on the fence. If you are like me, you have the active exhaust mufflers, because I got the headers on there last week, and if you follow my channel, I told you we have the new headers on there going into a Steeda H pipe. But also I have the stock active exhaust mufflers from the factory. All right, so we're gonna jump in the car and we'll show you the different exhaust modes. We'll start with quiet, then normal mode, then sport mode, then track mode. And then after we do that, I'll have Aaron jump in his car and he'll give a few good revs and we'll go from there.
First one's quiet mode. It's definitely quieter and it's more raspier, I think, in quiet mode. A little bit louder, for sure. It sounds almost the same, but it's a little bit louder.
Yeah,
I think, in track mode.
So I think it does. I concur.
Yeah. Either way, it sounds
sport,
baller.
track, they sound probably a little bit the same.
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe the acoustics of the outside, I don't know.
Very possible.
But
very possible.
But if anybody's on the fence, like if you're getting headers and you have the active exhaust, you know, it could save you some money.
Yeah, definitely.
But
for sure.
I think it's worth it. I don't know. I may go to because I've been looking at some mufflers. I like the Corsa Sport.
It's just
active.
a little tamer version of the Extreme.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But other than that, so next we'll do some flybys.
Let's do it.
Oh, we gotta do Aaron's car first.
Yeah, and then we'll get some flybys.
All right.
Are you deaf?
Say that again?
I said I had, sorry, you can't fucking hear me. I said I had it in sport mode.
Oh,
so
that was your sport mode?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Is that not good enough for you?
I don't know.
I mean, it's not active. It's just I had it in sport mode because it's snappier, I guess,
okay.
Offline, I guess, yeah. So. All right, so now it's James's turn to do it with his car. We are being allowed by the security to be here. They approached us. Not supposed to be here, but she's allowing us to be here to like shoot content and stuff like that. But she doesn't know what I just did in my car. So hopefully we can get this done and she's gone, because she just went down this road, and hopefully she's not down there. So James can do his. He's going to do his in just like sport track mode or something. So now it's his turn. Yeah, so just flip around if she's not there, and then hightail it.
You double fisting?
I'm double fisting.
Right.
It's definitely quieter than mine, but it's definitely significantly louder than what he had prior to his headers. So I went one time, James wants to go 3 times. I think we should probably leave. Just my thought. She's gonna come back around here and she's gonna be mad. I was like, I went 3 times, and you're like, I'm gonna go, no, sorry. I went once, and you're like, I'm just gonna go 3 times.
So, I had to let off like the first time with track.
I squealing.
Yeah, because the tires were kind of kicking, fishtailing.
I was wondering why you kept going over and over. It's like, I just went once, and he's like, I'll go 3 times. I'm like,
well,
fair enough.
Get a good, you know,
no,
good clip and a good sound, because I had to let off the throttle because the back end was a little squirrely.
So much torque, the chassis twisted coming off the line. Yeah.
Alright, so we had to leave the speedway. We got kicked out by the security.
Technically, we didn't get kicked out. She said just make sure you guys are out of here in like a short amount of time. We kicked ourselves out.
Yeah. So we always go there and film content. This was like the first time we've the security personnel of like, hey, what y'all doing here? So we're like, we're just taking pictures and shooting content for our YouTube channels, and they're like, well, don't be here too long. Anyways, but so that was a fun little video, just comparing the difference between his Corsa setup with Speed Engineering headers and my stainless power headers with the H-pipe and stock exhaust.
With my X-pipe.
Yeah.
So it's basically
just a fun little video that we did, just a sound comparison between X-pipe, H-pipe. Oh, so if anybody is on the fence about how you want to go with your exhaust system with headers, if you want to go the H-pipe or an X-pipe, if you have the active exhaust, if you want to keep it for your car, or you do like him, and he went with the Corsa Extreme exhaust setup.
I don't have cats either, so just keep that in mind.
And
If
you
you
don't have
don't
cats.
care about making people around you angry with how obnoxious it is, not having cats, keep in mind, depending on where you are, if you don't have cats, your emissions might be an issue. So keep that in mind. That's why I did a video on installing your O2 extensions, or defowlers, is whatever you choose to call them. You might throw check engine lights if you don't have cats, so just keep that in mind.
Are you still having issues with
Nope.
that?
Nope, I'm good. Yeah, it
Oh,
works.
you got the...
Yep.
Nice.
We're all good to go on that.
Past emissions test?
Oh yeah, of course,
Nice.
always. I follow all the laws. Yeah.
Yeah. It would be just easier if Texas would just do away with the
Right?
stupid emissions law. This ain't California.
Right. Fuck California.
But anyways, so with all that being said, if you did like today's content and you would like to see more like it in the future, please like and subscribe, and always drop a comment. Next 2 weeks or so, there's a car show I want to go to.
That's the one on at the track,
The Speedway,
right? Yeah.
at the G2 Motorsports.
Yeah, I'll be likely.
There's a car show out there, and from my understanding, when we went to the Gas Monkey car show with Mustang Sally Productions, they told us if you enter your car in the show, you get to do some laps around their track. So I definitely want to partake in that.
Good
I
enough for
know
me.
he wants to do it too.
Yep.
So stay tuned for that episode coming up. But closing comment?
If you haven't subscribed, like, comment, all that shit. You know.
Yeah, to my channel, not his.
Well, both, obviously.
Well,
but yes.
yeah, I mean, like,
if you're watching
subscribe
this
his
channel,
too.
obviously, hit
Yeah.
that subscribe. It's free.
But
Free 90 free.
have a good one, everybody.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.